guys, we are in Bočitelj, Bosnia. We just crossed the border from Dubrovnik, Croatia last night. End up sleeping next to the river and spontaneously come here in the morning and wow! Everything is totally different. It's more like Muslim culture and Turkish. Everything is so colorful and beautiful for me. I'll show you.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله
See the roof? It's from rock.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله
So far from the border to here, I didn't see any church. It's only mosque, as you see behind.
حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
Is this the high season of tourists here?
Yes, this is the high season of the tourists. For example, the most crowded, it's more in the early morning up to the 12 o'clock or something like that, and then we have some kind 2 hours or 3 less people, and then after at 5 they start again more with groups and from Croatia, from like Mostar or other cities also. And the most popular or tourists are, it's more with Turkish, from Turkey as a country, but also we have other ones also like English, Germans, like from Malaysia, from that part, from also Saudi Arabia, a lot of them.
So all of this is like traditional products?
For example, some stuff or these lamps are more like Turkish, for example, because we have Turkish influence here. This all city is from that period, from Turkish period or Ottoman period, from 15th century. So we have a lot of common stuff, and culture and religion also the same.
So this is from copper.
From copper, and we use for coffee, for traditional. Also, for example, when you go in the restaurant, maybe you will notice you will get Turkish coffee like on this set.
Oh, this is Turkish coffee.
If you order like in restaurant Turkish coffee, they will offer like that, and it's like traditional way to serve to coffee, of course.
God, it looks so cool.
Yeah, and in our homes we drink like just like this. We don't use this like.
You know what? In Vietnam, this coffee for tea.
Ah, okay.
And we drink coffee in much bigger cup, like this. Much bigger.
Yes. But for us, because our coffee is a little bit strong,
Really strong.
and because of that, we like drink 1 or 2 of these small in the morning.
Yeah.
It's for sugar, or in modern time, like for bonbons or for Turkish, they like that small sweet when they offer with coffee also, but it's more like for sugar.
Instrument.
Other side.
Ooh.
Like that, yes.
You know how to play this?
No, I can't. I can't. Just like you, like that.
Any story about it?
That's our traditional flutes, and they are producing or making in the also small city after the Sarajevo, Visoko, and they are very famous because they are producing everything about the wood.
So beautiful.
Thank you. This traditional shape we call that baklava. That's also our traditional cake for our Bayram. So that's also our traditional shapes on the carpets.